Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily change background picture in Windows 11. This video is pretty straightforward, so if it helped you, you can write down below in the comments that it was helpful. So what you can do is, there are two ways how you can do it. So let me show you. When you have picture, you want to right click on it and set as a background, desktop background. So that's what you can do. And this is the first way how you can do it. Or you want to click on right click on start settings, personalization under network and internet, and right here you would go background, and then you would browse a photo here or choose from images, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.